everybody. Today I will be making bubble tea. If you don't know what it is, it's something originated in Taiwan, China, and it has little tapioca balls or pearls at the bottom, and then they have like black tea that you could drink with it, or you can have milk tea, and I'm going to show you how to make milk tea today. But also when I was little, I used to have bubble tea from this coffee shop, and it was so good, so I wanted to learn how to make it for myself. So let's get straight to it. First thing to do is let's go to the stove and 1/2 cup of water and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Okay. Now let's turn it on. We need to stir it until it dissolves. Alright, so let's stir it with a wooden spoon until it's a nice brown color. Okay, so now we're going to get 1.5 cups of tapioca flour and just add a spoonful of it to here. And we're trying to make sure there's the least amount of lumps you can. So get it in here. So now it's getting, and then I put another tablespoon in because it's supposed to thicken, and it's not really thickening. Okay, it's pretty thick. So I'm going to turn the heat off and add all the rest. Let's mix it. Alright, so now let's knead it. So I'm going to take this, I'm first going to flour the surface with a little bit of tapioca. Okay, now we're going to take it out onto the flour. So, it's really hot. Alright, I'm going to wait for a little bit until it cools down. It feels like I didn't put enough tapioca flour, so I'm going to add like another 1/2 cup on top of this and try to knead again. So now it's a nice color. So, and you should know it's done after it's been like about 5 minutes and it doesn't stick to your hands anymore, and it has this nice color. So let's take this and let's just take a piece from it and roll it out into a snake. Okay, so we're just going to want to make it pretty skinny because they do expand. Alright, now it's the next step. It's cut everything into little pieces. Alright, I'm gonna ask my mom if she can help me roll all of these balls after, because it's extremely hard. Like, it's like, here, like one ball takes like 10 seconds. So this is gonna be like 20 minutes for me and my mom rolling, so. Right, here we go. Here's our bubble tea. It's okay if they have cracks. It'll be okay. I'm gonna add it to some I'm gonna add all of our boba to some boiling water and cook it for 20 minutes. Alright, so now I'm gonna get something to stir it with. I'm gonna stir it so it doesn't stick to each other or stick to the bottom. And then I'm gonna stir it until it floats up on top of the water. So, do you wanna see it? So here, it should be floating up to the water, and right now, a lot of them are on the bottom. So we should, yeah. And then, after we do this, we need to set the timer for 20 minutes. Okay, so now it's all on the top, so I'm going to set the timer for 20 minutes. Alright, it's been 20 minutes, so let's turn off the heat and let it rest for an additional 20 minutes, and then we can drink our drink. Alright, so it's been 20 minutes, and we have our strained boba, and let's get out a cast iron pan. And then with that cast iron pan, let's get some brown sugar. Okay, so you can put as much brown sugar as I want. I like to put a lot because then you can make it nice. So I'm going to put about like a half this much, just a handful. Maybe a little bit more. Alright, here we go. Looks nice. So now let's heat it up a little bit. Let's put it on low and just melt it because sugar burns too easily. Because the last time I did it, the sugar burned and it wasn't that good. So we heat it up. Let's pour all this bubble tea in. Alright, that's enough. So I'm going to get a spatula. And then I'm going to mix it. Looking so nice. Should be a nice syrup. Looks so beautiful. So I'm going to keep keep stirring. Alright, now I'm going to turn it off. It's nice and syrupy. So, let's turn it off, and let's get a cup and some milk. I like to use almond milk because I'm dairy-free. Okay, here we go. Let's pour this. First, let's get like a spoon, and then get some nice syrup and boba. Okay. Now that we have our boba in cup, we're basically gonna like turn it around to make a nice syrupy thing on the cup. Okay. I'm gonna get a little bit more syrup so it's easier. Let me try again to make it a little bit nicer. Alright, now we can pour our milk in. Alright, it looks so nice and it smells so good. That's just awesome. And now if you have whipped cream, you should put it on top. I don't, so I'm just gonna use this. And then you can use those big straws if you want, or you can use a spoon. I'm gonna use a spoon. Alright, let's try it. It's so amazing. You should definitely try this recipe. It doesn't taste burnt. It doesn't taste anything. It's so good.